Start. So I left it as long as it was. Shorter there, shorter here, rounder. Not too short.
You live here or you get go home to Deutschland? Only with the... Ja, ja. Ja. En de jullie?
Just a little bit here.
Alles zien, maar ik ga even deze samen en dan kan je zo even gaan.
Is it all by me?
Amal, tu verdad,
Sì, sono.
5 minutos. ¿Tienes sello?
Sí, lo tengo NIE.
Lo que quieras. Lo firmas aquí, me lo dices de mí.
Sí, fírmalo bien tú.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you.
Maar 55 staat alles super super.
Okay, I will show you.
Alles weer aan staan. Dat is precies hoe we doen. Alles is er. Maar als je
Very attractive, just easy and simple to wear. Yes, this is the result, but it's really attractive. You can play with it. If you watch, I guess finish it. Oh no, that's no, no. Okay, this is
Karen.
This is Karen. So as you see, Karen is here sitting for her hair. We just did a haircut and lovely nice blow dry. And as you see, this is the result. Yes, so I'll turn her chair. We can turn your chair. Yes. You see, this is the result. Come on. Thank you. Beautiful, nice, and very lovely. So we are here in Vivian Hair Design. Lovely and nice style. Yeah. Happy?
Lovely.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being here in Vivian Hair Design. Nice and lovely hairstyle, easy and simple to wear. You don't need to do that much, and the hair is perfect. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.